Alright, we are at the brand new TownePlace Suites in Lakeland, Florida, and we have some brand new Schindler elevators to ride. Unfortunately, I was hoping for 5500s, but unfortunately, all we have is 3300s, but oh well, they're nice, so we're gonna give them a ride, shall we? Just gonna get a little look around because people are using them right now. Exit. Get a little look around here. There's the pool. Looks very nice. A brand new hotel. Alright, let's call it. Alright. Hold the door for you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Looks almost like a home elevator. Alright, let's go up to 4. You're up on 4. Alright, we're gonna go back down to 1. We're gonna get a cab view of this thing. Very nice elevator. Alright, we're gonna go back up to 4. We're on 4. There's your certificate. There are your buttons. There's a view your buttons. You know what? Send you down. Let's get a look around. Very nice place. Alright. Let's call this 7. Like that beeping noise. Oh, here we go. Whoa. This really does look like a home elevator. It really does, honestly. It's very nice, though. See, we're going down. Alright, let's go down to 1. You're on 1. And we will exit here. And there it goes. And that's gonna be it.